We're back again at Supercar Street Racing, all the way out here in Studio A today, where it's nice and cool, but it's hot outside, and today we're looking at Pixverse. Now, Pixverse reached out to Supercar Street Racing to see if we wanted to talk to you guys about this very cool AI video and image service. It's sitting right up here on the screen today. I have spent quite a bit of time using it now. I'm gonna tell you what I did, how we're gonna use this, and you're gonna see it in this actual video. Let's get it done. Let's take a look at Pixverse and how it can help you and your creativity. Back in Studio A once again with Supercar Street Racing. I'm so happy to have you guys in the studio with all the fly lighting and cool equipment we have in here. And today, Pixverse reached out to us to see if we were interested in working with them on the Pixverse AI video and image generation tool. And it's sitting right here in the background, and I have spent quite a few hours with it. I made some cool things that you're gonna see today in this actual video, and I might even switch from my traditional AI program to this. Now, as you guys know, if you watch my videos, I use AI a lot in them to add a little bit of fun to the videos and kind of as bumpers and on the opens. So I spent a lot of time working on this on camera for you guys. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and throw it back into Studio B, where we can take a look at all the cool features of AI in Pixverse. Okay, we're here today with a new sponsor. Pixverse reached out to us and wanted us to show you their very cool, very creative website where you can do so much with AI video. So we're gonna go through the first part of this right now, and that is image or text. So let's get our prompt up here. We're gonna paste our prompt right here. So I pasted this into the prompt area, and then all we have to do now is just give it some sound. You can see I've created some stuff already. So it's in the queue now at 3%, and there is the final product. And that's kind of an idea of what the image to text can give you. All right, so the next thing we're gonna talk about here is called transition. Basically, you give it a first frame of video and you give it a last frame of video, and then you describe what happens. If you look on my screen right here, I basically took a picture of the astronaut on the moon. That was my first frame. And then my second frame was another picture of an astronaut on the moon. And then I added a prompt down here. The astronaut on the moon turns to look at the American flag, then looks back at the camera. Here's some of the cool things that it did with that nice effect there. And you can see the 2 frames here, and then you can see what the AI generated looks very awesome, where the man turns on the moon and checks out the flag, and it looks very realistic. Now, this is using their version 5 up here as well, which is their newest version. So this is cool. The 2 actual pictures are right here. I used this photo, and that's all I did to do the transition thing, and it looks very cool. Okay, so now let's look at the extend feature of Pixverse. This is pretty cool. You can extend a video, and I am going to do that to one of the videos that I created already. All right, I am uploading a video that I created with another AI service. It did switch the resolution to match what we have, and we're gonna make it 8 seconds. Let's create it. It's gonna cost us 80 credits. So here's the prompt I used to create the video, and it stopped right there. Let's see what it's doing. It is done. All right, let's see what it came up with. It's supposed to extend this. A little bit of clipping there on my leg going up the ladder, and he's going up a ladder that doesn't exist now, but it did extend it. If we gave it a second shot, it would probably do better. But that's how extend works. It took my 5-second video and made it into 8 seconds. And technically you could take something shorter than that and also make it into 5 or 8 seconds. All right, sound I have not done yet. Apparently sound allows you to add sound to any video by describing the scene. So let's do that with the same video. The sounds of rockets taking off, and that is fast on that one for sure. And here it is, let's download it. And it did work. It did put that sound in the background. That's pretty cool. You can also select to keep the original audio as well, and you can go in off-peak mode, meaning it doesn't cost you as much because you're generating in off-peak hours. So this next one will allow you to upload a video and then generate a script for it. So I'm gonna do that for this video that it created. So I'm gonna put this in there. This is the video that Pixverse just extended. I just typed in, the man is walking up the stairs, he's ready for a trip to the stars. And it is going to automatically pick a voice. Let's go ahead and create this.
The man is walking up the stairs, he's ready for a trip to the stars.
All right, it did
The man
work.
is walking up the stairs, he's ready for a trip to the stars.
And of course you can pick your own voice.
Hey, I'm Ethan, just
Hi, I'm Adrian, young and free.
I'm Oliver, full of energy and
I'm James, been through a lot.
I'm Liam. With time, I've gained wisdom from experience.
All right, I'm gonna reproduce this with Liam.
The man is
Oh,
walking
it
up
made
the
his
stairs.
voice also.
He's ready for a trip to the stars.
All right, it did make him say it as well. All right, we're taking a look at Restyle right now. That allows you to upload a video and pick a style to change it to. For example, let's go back and upload a different video than we just worked with. I'm gonna upload this video, which was created with AI. All right, I uploaded another video of a Titanic-like scene, and all you have to do after that is pick a style, or you can customize it in the style of a classic no sound movie, black and white. Let's see what it can do. All right, it is done. Let's see what it did. Okay, so that is how it decided to put this scene. Pretty cool, man. I love this. And now the last one I want to show you guys is the most important one for me. Now this is called character. This is what I use the most for my videos. This allows you to upload a character reference and then explain what the character is doing, and it will create video for you. We're gonna go ahead and use that. We'll call it Brad. We did create it, so now all we have to do is grab him, Brad1 right here, and go ahead and hit create. It will cost us 80 credits. And we're gonna go 1080p. All right, not bad. I like it. Let's go ahead and put that somewhere for later. But let's see what it can come up with for Captain Jack Sparrow as me. This is actually not bad. I'm gonna add sound to that later. Let's go ahead and throw that in our folder too. Perfect. So good. All right, it is done. Let's see what it came up with. Guys, that's the new open that we made with Pixverse. So we made the whole thing in Pixverse. That was pretty cool. Now let's throw it back to Brad right here again to show you where you can get Pixverse and how you can get it. All right, you guys just saw how cool Pixverse is. We went through all of the different things it can do, and we actually created some cool videos with sound, and we also used them in this actual video. So what I gotta do now is throw it back to Studio B with Brad and show you guys how you can get Pixverse, and you can get your 30-day free trial on Supercar Street Racing. Let's throw it back inside to Brad for some more Pixverse stuff. All right, guys, I wanted to quickly show you this template creation, and all you have to do a template is pick a template out of all the available ones, and then you put a photo in, and it will generate a scene for you based on what you see right here on the screen. This one right here is called Who is Arrested? And it took my picture. And I did get arrested. And so, yeah, you can take any of their templates and put your picture in it or other people's pictures in there and generate anything you want. This one's called Welcome to My House. It says a sip of red and the rich life appears. Now, also taking a look at the rankings, check out where Pixverse stands. Here's your AI leaderboard here. Pixverse is at number 2, image to video, and then text to video. Check it out. Look at that. Pixverse is also at number 3 on that. They wanted me to show you guys those rankings as well. All right, guys, we're right in front of the PC now in Studio B, and you guys just saw how we made that brand new open with the cool Pixverse AI. It was pretty cool. We made a new AI open like the old one I made in another AI program, but this time we did sound and new music, and it came out great. I encourage you guys to try out Pixverse The first 30 people will have a code down in the description. You got to get there fast though to get a code. Check the description out in Supercar Street Racing down below in this video and go ahead and get your 30-day trial for Pixverse. And guys, thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for 200,000 subscribers. We have to get out of here right now though. We have to go to dinner.